and it was enough to save us $300 a month. However, I have in my hands the amortization schedule, which is how long it's going to take us to pay off said mortgage and how much would go towards principal and interest each month. And I want to use this to talk to you about why home buying in America is an absolute scam and why this will be the last house we ever buy in this country. So just really quick facts, it's a standard 30-year mortgage. It's a VA loan, so I didn't have to put anything down in order to refinance, and I don't have to pay any mortgage insurance, which is what normal people have to pay when they don't put 20% down. But because we didn't put anything down, I went from owing $784,000 on my home back up to $795,000. But my original interest rate on this house was 6.2%, and now it is 5.6%. We are planning on selling this house when my husband retires in 4 years and exiting the U.S. So, of course, I was interested to see what will I owe at that time in 2030. And at that point in 2030, we will owe just under $750,000. So I will only have paid off $50,000 worth of my mortgage in the next 4 years. But the math ain't mathin' because my payment is $5,700 a month. $5,700 a month times 50 payments is $285,000. And if you look at the schedule, it tells you, oh yeah, you're financing $795,000, but if you kept this interest rate over 30 years, you're actually going to end up paying $1.6 million. But the biggest scam of all is how much interest they charge you the first year you own the house. And I have other videos on this. I've talked about it. Again, I put myself in this situation. It is what it is. The point is I'm calling out the banks because they are fucking ridiculous. First of all, when you come to closing, we bought $7,000 to closing. They make you pay.
All right, y'all. Let's get into this, man. I done heard enough of her. So, is owning a house a scam? I won't say it's a scam, but what I know. All right, so I was a licensed realtor, not realtor. You know what I'm saying? Realtor. Not realtors. No extra A in there, no extra letters. Realtor. For those people who don't know how to pronounce it and going to annoy me when they say it. So I was a realtor, and I did that because I love houses. You know, bought a lot of properties and rented them out. Still own them. Had another one with somebody, program they had trying to, you know, do business with black people. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole nother story. But yeah, you know, I know a lot about real estate. You know, I've been in it. Had another little small business dealing with real estate loans.